Weighing scales, user's guide. Display and keypad. Tare symbol indicates that the tare is active during weighing. It flashes when the tare is not fixed. It is stationary when the tare is fixed. Tare symbol is valid only for LCD models. Stable symbol indicates that the scale is well stabled and ready to weigh. It turns off while placing or removing the product. If stable symbol is still off after weighing a product, the weight value displayed may be wrong. To make sure weighing is properly done, wait until stable symbol turns on after placing the product on the pan. Zero symbol shows that there is no load on the scale. Before weighing a product, be sure that the pan is empty. If the zero symbol is off, press 0 key to set the scale to 0. Battery symbol indicates that the battery is in use. If battery indicator is on, scale is powered by the battery. If battery symbol flashes, it is necessary to charge it. If battery symbol still flashes after charging the battery, it is necessary to change the battery in the shortest period. Scale with LCD has 4 battery sections, indicating the current charge level of the battery. Also, a battery charging animation is active during charging. Frame around the battery symbol indicates the power status. If scale is working on battery power, battery frame turns on. If scale is connected to a power supply, battery frame turns off. Just before the battery becomes fully empty, the battery frame starts flashing. Net symbol is on when there is a tare. Actual weight value displayed is the net weight value. W1 and W2 show actual weighing range if the scale is dual range. T button is used to set tare. F button is used for entering the settings menu, as well as to apply some functions, such as selecting sub-menus in settings, or saving settings parameters. 0 button is used to set the scale to 0. Light button is used to turn the backlight on or off. Light button is valid only for LCD models. Power button turns the scale on or off. Memory button is used to take the total of multiple weighings done in succession and save the result to memory. Memory recall button is used to recall the total weighing and number of weighings done from the memory. Memory clear button is used to clear the memory. Turning on the scale. When the scale is turned on, all segments and symbols are displayed for a short period. Then, factory defaults of major settings are displayed for about 10 seconds. After that, maximum capacity and division are displayed for a while, and scale gets ready for weighing. Nothing should be placed on the scale until it gets ready for weighing operation. If there is any weight on the scale or if the pan is not placed on the scale, an error message might be seen on display. Be sure that there is no weight on the scale before turning on the device. Weighing the product. Before weighing the product, make sure that the display value is 0 and stable and 0 symbols are on. If the value on the display is not 0 or stable symbol is not on, press 0 button to reset the display. Place the product on the scale gently. Wait until the stable symbol is on again. Then weight of the product will be displayed. Important note to remember: never place any load exceeding the maximum capacity of the scale. Maximum capacity is written on the data plate. During weighing, product should be placed on the scale gently. Leaving the product from a certain level of height or throwing it onto the scale may damage the scale. Weighing the product with tare. Place the cup on the scale you want to take tare. Wait until the stable symbol turns on. Weight of the cup will be displayed. Press the T button to take tare. Place the product in the cup and wait until stable symbol turns on. Product's net weight will be displayed. Flashing tare symbol means that tare is taken temporarily and will be reset after removing the cup. Remove the product from the scale. Scale will return back to its initial condition. To fix the tare, place the cup on the scale you want to take tare. Wait until the stable symbol turns on. Weight of the cup will be displayed. Press the T button twice to take tare and fix it. Place the product in the cup and wait until stable symbol turns on. Product's net weight will be displayed. Stationary tare symbol means that tare is fixed and will not be reset after removing the cup. To cancel tare, press T button when there is no load on the scale. Using the backlight. To activate the backlight only during weighing operations, press the light button. Backlight will turn on only during weighing, or by pressing any button on the scale. After weighing completed, it turns off again. Using this mode saves battery power, in case the scale is working on battery. To keep backlight on, at all times, press the light button again. To turn off backlight permanently, press the light button again. Memory function. Use the memory function to add the weight of different products and store them on a memory. Place the first product on the scale. Press M button to store the weight. Place the second product on the scale. Press M button to store the weight. Place the third product on the scale. And press M button again to store the weight. Press Memory Recall button to recall the total sum and the total number of products weighed from the memory. To delete the data in the memory, press Memory Clear button. Memory function with tare. Use the memory function to add the weight of different products and store them on a memory. Place the cup on the scale and press T button to take tare. Place the first product on the scale. Press M button to store the weight. Press T button to take tare. Place the second product on the scale. Press M button to store the weight. Press T button to take tare. Place the third product on the scale. And press M button again to store the weight. Press Memory Recall button to recall the total sum and the total number of products weighed from the memory. To delete the data in the memory, press Memory Clear button. Limiting function. Limiting function is used for checking the load on scale, if the load is in desired weight limits or not. To turn on the limiting function, enter the Setup menu. Long press F button. Go to Set Menu 4.1 to set the lower limit value. In this example, we are setting the lower limit value to 90, using the memory buttons as shown. Press F button to save the set value. Press 0 button to go to Set Menu 4.2 to set the upper limit value. We are setting the upper limit value to 100, using the memory buttons as shown. Press F button to save the set value. Long press F button to exit the setup menu. Warning beep will activate if the value is in limits between 90 and 100. It will go off when the weight is outside those limits. Silo mode. Silo mode is used when pre-weighing operation needed. In this mode, load is placed on the scale before turning on. As soon as scale turned on, weighing is calculated. To activate the silo mode, enter the setup menu by long pressing F button. Go to set menu 2.7 as shown, and change it to on. Long press F button to save and exit the menu. Now we can place the load on the scale, before turning it on. Weighed value will be displayed after the scale turned on.